Hello, 학생들. This is teacher Kim Hoben이, and today we'll be learning about something very important, which is 그래서. 그래서 means therefore, and so it can be used to introduce a new phrase that's related to the phrase that's already said, that's already related. Okay, so let's get to examples right away. Teacher Kim, subscribe and like. 어제 일을 많이 했어요. I did a lot of work yesterday. 그래서 피곤해요. Therefore, I am tired. Okay, so because this person worked a lot yesterday, therefore, I'm tired. Okay, so that makes sense. The next one is 사람들이 제 유튜브 비디오를 많이 봐요. People watch my YouTube videos often. 그래서 기뻐요. Therefore, I'm happy. True story of teacher Kim. Okay. The next one is 돈 많이 벌었어요. I earned a lot of money. 그래서 이제 행복해요. Therefore, I'm happy. Okay, if you earn a lot of money, then this person is happy. Okay, some people say money and happiness correlated, some people say don't, but this is not very related to me. So let's just end this lesson right away. And yeah, so 그래서 is very straightforward. Okay, so just use it as a therefore so in a Korean sentence to connect two ideas that are related to each other. Okay, so something happened, because something happened, this happened. Cause and effect. That's it. And this is teacher Kim, and see you next time. Bye bye.